Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we'll discuss comments in Python programming language. Programming reflects your way of thinking in order to describe the single steps that you took to solve a problem using a computer. Commenting your code helps explain your thought process and helps you and others to understand later on the intention of your code. This allows you to more easily find errors, to fix them, to improve the code later on, and to reuse it in other applications as well. Commenting is important to all kinds of projects, no matter whether they are small, medium, or rather large. It is an essential part of your workflow, and it is seen as good practice for developers. Without comments, things can get confusing real fast. A comment can be used to explain the Python programming code, and also it can be used to make the code more readable for anyone. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing Python code. There are two types of comments in Python programming language. First, single line comment starts with a hash character. This type can be placed before the code or at the end of the line of code to write a specific explanation. Second, multi-line comment. Python doesn't really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash character for each line, or not quite as intended, you can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string using triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. As long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it, and you have made a multi-line comment. These are the two types that you can use to write a comment in Python programming language. Very easy. That's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood it very well. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.